Istanbul. With one arm reaching out to Asia and the other to Europe, Istanbul is the only city in the world built on two continents. The Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, Topkapi Palace and the Galata Tower are just some of the many historic structures scattered throughout the city. Sip a Turkish tea as you float between Europe and Asia on a ferry and watch the palaces, mansions and modern museums pass by. The Bosphorus courses the waters of the Black Sea, the Sea of Marmara and the Golden Horn through the city's heart. Istanbul's fate has been sealed by its vital strategic location and its enchanting natural beauty. It is Istanbul's endless variety that fascinates its visitors. The museums, churches, palaces, grand mosques, bazaars, and sites of natural beauties are countless. Istanbul is rich in architectural monuments, reflecting its past splendor. Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. It was once a church and a mosque, but it is now one of the most visited museums in the world. After years of restoration works, the Hagia Sophia is finally scaffolding free, enabling you to absorb its splendor as it was meant to be. Climb up the spiral ramp to get to the gallery and gaze at the splendid Byzantine mosaics, including Christ flanked by Emperor Constantine IX and his wife Empress Zoe. The Blue Mosque. Sultan Ahmad Mosque, also known as the Blue Mosque, is a historic mosque located in Istanbul, Turkey. It remains a functioning mosque while also attracting large numbers of tourist visitors. Hand-painted blue tiles adorn the mosque's interior walls, and at night the mosque is bathed in blue as light frames the mosque's 5 main domes, 6 minarets, and 8 secondary domes. It sits next to Hagia Sophia, another popular tourist site. Basilica Cistern. The Basilica Cistern is the largest of several hundred ancient cisterns that lie beneath the city of Istanbul, Turkey. The cistern, located 150 meters southwest of the Hagia Sophia, today it is kept with little water for public access inside the space. Topkapi Palace Museum. The Topkapi Palace is a large museum in the east of the Fatih district of Istanbul in Turkey. Topkapi Palace is rightfully a sight you can't afford to miss while in Istanbul. This complex of palaces and pavilions, contained by 4 lush green courtyards, is where generations of sultan had their principal residence for almost half a century. Topkapi Palace, the one-time home of many sultans, not only offers spectacular views of the city, but also houses treasures that make crown jewels look like Claire's accessories. Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, with 61 covered streets and over 4,000 shops on a total area of 30,700 square meters, attracting between 250,000 and 400,000 visitors daily. The Grand Bazaar at Istanbul is often regarded as one of the first shopping malls of the world. Istanbul's Grand Bazaar is high on most tourists' itinerary, and for a good reason. This enormous site is the largest covered market in the world. The colorful and chaotic Grand Bazaar is the heart of Istanbul's old city and has been so for centuries. New Mosque. It is situated on the Golden Horn, the southern end of the Galata Bridge. Situated on the Suleymani Grounds, one of the Istanbul's 7 hills, and dominates the Golden Horn, providing a landmark for the entire city. Spice Bazaar. The Spice Bazaar is the place to get your foodie fix of lokum, Turkish delight, dried fruit, nuts, herbs, and of course spices. The Spice Bazaar, otherwise known as the Egyptian market, was created in 1660 and remains the place to go for spices, nuts, Turkish delight, and other divine tastes and smells. Vividly colored spices are displayed alongside jewel-like lokum at this Ottoman-era marketplace, providing eye candy for the thousands of tourists and locals who make their way here every day. Stalls also sell caviar, dried herbs, honey, nuts, and dried fruits. The number of stalls selling tourist trinkets increases annually, yet this remains a great place to stock up on edible souvenirs, share a few jokes with vendors, and marvel at the well-preserved building. Turkish tea. While roaming around the city, you should try the famous Turkish tea on your way to Ortaköy Mosque, and also some Turkish delight to make your memories more sweeter. Galata Tower. The Galata Tower is one of the best spots in the town to get 360 panoramic views of Istanbul. The tower has 9 stories. It measures just under 220 feet in height, hence it's visible from miles away. When it was built, it represented the tallest structure in Istanbul. The Galata Tower can be visited and no early booking is required. You can simply go on site and pay a small entry fee, then explore the interior. It is organized like a museum, so it will keep you busy for a few hours. Taksim Square. Taksim Square, situated in the European part of Istanbul, is a major tourist and leisure district famed for its restaurants, shops, and hotels. It is considered the heart of modern Istanbul, with a central metro station of Istanbul Metro Network. Taksim Square is also the location of the Republic Monument, which was crafted by Pietro Canonica and inaugurated in 1928. Ortaköy Mosque. Ortaköy Mosque is situated at the waterside of the Ortaköy Pier Square, one of the most popular locations on the Bosphorus. This structure is symbolic of the district of Ortaköy, as it has a distinctive view of the Bosphorus Strait of Istanbul and the Bosphorus Bridge. It's a local all-time favorite to have a late breakfast with a stunning view, followed by a nice stroll on the boardwalk, topped with a drink in one of the many cafes. You can also come later and enjoy a buzzing nightlife. Maiden Star. The Maiden Star is a tower lying on a small islet located on the southern entrance of the Bosphorus Strait, 200 meters from the coast of Üsküdar in Istanbul. Located on a tiny islet of the Asian side of Istanbul, the tower has an intriguing background worth exploring. Bosphorus Cruise. A trip to Istanbul is not complete without a Bosphorus cruise. Not only does it provide a nice overview of the city, both the European and Asian shores of the famous waterway have a lot to offer. Century-old palaces and mansions galore. From the boat, you can witness the beauty of the city from a different perspective. You can watch the famous places and architectural landmarks like Maiden Tower and Ortaköy Mosque glittering with colorful lights. You can also watch the famous Turkish traditional dance shows and belly dance while enjoying a glass of wine and Turkish food along with it. It's truly a marvelous experience and no one should miss it.